What is going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you my 3 favorite bass fishing lures that you can use all year round. Anyway, y'all hit the subscribe button, like the video, help a brother out. So let's get right into the video. So the first lure I like to use that you can use both in the wintertime and in the summertime is a crankbait. Now I've used crankbaits in 18 degrees weather. My rod was literally freezing, and if you don't believe me, I had a video on it, but I caught a 4-pound smallmouth on a crankbait, and I caught all the smallmouth I've pretty much caught were all on crankbaits. Now, even in the summer, you'll catch tons of fish on crankbaits. Now, of course, you gotta vary, your presentation. But yeah, crankbaits are always a go-to. This is another crankbait. This is a Little John, made by Bite Me Lures, hand-painted lures. But yeah, crankbaits are a must-have for you to have in your tackle box when you go bass fishing. So the next lure you need in your tackle box, because you can use it all year round, is a jig. Now, bass jigs are super versatile. You can swim them, you can bounce them along the bottom, you can flip them. I mean, bass jigs are just so versatile. You need to have them, and they catch big bass. Now, the colors I like to use is I like some natural colors, so like some browns, some greens, some pumpkin seed colors, and of course, I live in Florida, so I gotta have the black and blue. Now, of course, you also have your bladed jigs. That's another reason why I love jigs. These are chatterbaits, bladed jigs, whatever you like to call them. But you gotta have jigs, because again, you can use them in the summertime and you can use them in the wintertime. I've caught them, slowly bouncing it on the bottom, and a lot of fish will hit these during the wintertime. So last but definitely not least, my favorite are soft plastic worms, more specifically stick baits or Senkos. Now these are actually custom handmade, made by my grandpa, who actually has a YouTube channel himself. As you can see, these are pretty much just stick baits. I mean, I like to use 5-inch long stick baits. I like to put them on a Texas rig. I always have one of these rigged up because they work all year round, and they're probably the best bass lure or setup really ever made, in my opinion. And tons and tons of fish have been caught on soft plastic stick baits. And again, I've caught them in the wintertime, I've caught them in the summertime, all times of the year. They are a great bait. Anyway, hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any other lures you like to use all year round, and y'all have a good one.